Hey guys, welcome back to Electrical Car Repair Live. Thank you guys for watching and subscribing to the channel. Today will be super helpful video to any of you having a Chevy Silverado, that generation here from year 2014 to year 2019. If you need to find, guys, where the fuse for the parking assist is located, park assist fuse, where you can find it, where you can buy cheap parts, tools, fuses, relays at a good price, quick shipping, that way you do not waste money and time. Why it's always a good idea to test fuses and relays. All that will be covered absolutely free for your convenience. Make sure to stay until the end. Before we start, let us tell you a little bit about us, guys. Every single car we get here at the garage, we try to make at least 200 to 300 free repair videos. We take them completely apart. We show you how to fix engines, transmissions, engine codes, engine lights, fuses, all that stuff, guys. Why we do all that? Because our mission in the shop is to save you guys as much money as we can. All we need in return, please subscribe to the channel, like the video. That way we can keep providing these videos absolutely free. Now, guys, we have more than 14,000 free repair videos on our YouTube channels that can save you thousands of dollars in future repairs. So please check them out, and they can save you quite a bit of money now or in the future. So guys, for the parking assist, which fuses we need to check, we'll demonstrate on that generation Chevy Silverado here. Now you guys have many hidden fuse boxes all over this track that most people do not know they even exist. We'll recommend to check out the video on our YouTube channel about fuse box location on Chevy Silverado. Go ahead, guys, open the driver door, and here on the side of the dash you have that cover. You just pull it, and behind it you have a fuse box with a layout like this one. Before we continue, let's explain quickly why it's always a good idea to test fuses and relays. It is, guys, very important to test fuses and relays. On those fuses you cannot clearly see if they're burnt or not, especially you can see in the JK's fuses as well. And if you guys assume, okay, let's say you remove a fuse, you look at it and you assume, guys, that it's actually a good fuse, but it's actually a bad fuse. Sometimes you cannot clearly see that. What can easily happen, guys, at that point, you can put the bad fuse in and you start replacing parts and tools that you don't need to, so you will lose your time, you lose your money to fix a problem that doesn't exist, when all we had to do is test the fuse and replace it. We'll put a link to a special video that will teach you how to test fuses, how to check relays very easily as well, guys. So check it out, it will be in the description of the video below. Now, guys, quick thing: if you need to buy fuses, relays, parts, tools at a good price, quick shipping, that way you do not waste money and time, guys, we're going to put the links in the description of the video below for your convenience. Please check it out, that way you do not waste money and time. So for the Parktronic, also known as parking assist, two fuses will need to be checked. Make sure to stay until the end. We want to share one good advice with you, that way you do not end up being stuck in the middle of nowhere like it happened to us. Here, if you have 2014 through 16 model, guys, you have that fuse box layout, and you will need to check specifically fuse number 29, that fuse here. If you guys have year 2017 through 19, you have that layout right there for the fuse box, guys, that you see. And here, okay, you will have fuse number 29. If you have the parking assist Parktronic, it will be right there as well, depending if you have that option. Now, also, what you need to do, open the passenger door now. And once you open the passenger door, you see that cover on the side of the dash. Okay, that cover just comes out just like on the driver's side, and you have another fuse box. That's 2014 through 16 model, guys. And here specifically we need to check fuse number 27, and 27 will be that double fuse right here. Now, if you guys have 2017 through 19 model, guys, okay, you have that layout right there. And specifically, it will be exactly the same fuse number 27 that you will need to check for a Parktronic and parking assist. Now, guys, you have all kind of different fuses and relays in that Chevy Silverado. You have different fuses, relays that could be really hard to find, especially if you're in the middle of nowhere. And one time we needed a replacement one, we couldn't get one, we were stuck in the middle of nowhere because of that. So what we do now, we always get some spare fuses, relays, keep them in the glove box for a peace of mind, guys. That way you do not get stuck in the middle of nowhere like it happened to us, guys. Hopefully the video will be helpful. Thank you guys for watching, and see you next time.